Hello, this is my grandparents' dog. Her name is Stormy. She loves me. And I still haven't shown you my dog, which I will when I get home. What do you have to say, Stormy? Are you a cute girl? Yeah? Do you love getting pets? Go play. So cute. What do you have to say to the internet?